Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 7 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So before we will start, just a quick disclaimer, I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box because it will be transferred to our website where you can not only find the codes, which I will show you today, but also some other stuff connected with this device and useful tips. First of all, we have to open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me start with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *##06. 06 pound. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with the device information just like the email numbers and the serial number. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the testing menu connected with this device also. Mostly those codes are technical. So it is *##pound 4636 pound *##. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we can check the phone information, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. Let me start with the phone. And as you can see, we've got the information just like the email number, car network, data service, data network type, etc. Don't worry, I've got those. I do not have this information right here, but it is only because I do not have my SIM inserted. If you've got one, you will be able to check all of them. We can run ping test here also, and after tapping on the three dots icon, we can, for example, enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. We can go back. Let's check usage statistics, and basically this is the section where you've got all of the apps and processes listed. You can check the usage time right now, so you can see that I've been using the settings for more than half an hour. We can also change the sorting type. We can sort it by, for example, last time use or app name. It's up to you. And we've got also the Wi-Fi information, so here we've got the API configuration and the status. Let me, for example, pick the status. We can refresh the stats, and whenever you will have the connection with the Wi-Fi, you will be able to check the information just like the SSID or network ID. You can also run ping test here. So that will be all for this code. Let me show you another one, another technical code. It is *#pound 426 pound *#pound. And here we've got the diagnostics. Let me quickly refresh it kind of. So here we can check the server, host port, time connected, and the signal level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further technical events. Technical info. Here we can also tap on the three dots icon, show advanced view, and after tapping on the status again, we've got much more information. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let me go back and let me show you the last code which will open the calendar info. It is *#pound 225 pound *#pound. And as you can see, we're in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So basically this is the best section to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.